Hey, what's up guys? I just got my new RCA Roku TV here. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step, okay? So first thing, when you're on the screen here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here. And I'm going to press on the right button here. I'm in the US, press on the right button, press on OK. Now you can do setup from store use. Obviously you want to go set up for home use. Press on OK on the remotes. Looking for wireless networks, go ahead and set up your Wi-Fi. Mine is right there. Then go ahead and put in your password. After you put in your password, you want to go down, highlight connect, press on OK on the remote. Hopefully that's the correct password. All right, they're all checked. Looks good. Now it's doing a software update. So there is an update available. I'm going to go ahead and press on OK to proceed with the update here. Your TV will automatically restart once the update is installed. It just restarted. Okay, so now we're on here. You do have to activate your TV. You need to sign into your Roku account. If you don't have one, you need to go ahead and make one. Okay, anyway, when you're here, you need to enter this URL, roku.com/link. You use a computer or a phone, it doesn't matter. And there's your 4-digit code down here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do mine on the phone. And you can see in the address bar, I have www.roku.com/link. So let me go ahead and click on go. Now it's asking me for the link code, which is down here, PLZC. So PLZC, and it's not case sensitive either. PLZC, let me click on submit. Oh wow, actually, yeah, you need all caps here, PLZC. Click on submit. Oops, they're asking me to sign in again. Now I'll click sign in. Now it's asking me to select the room that the device is located in. I have 32-inch RCA Roku TV. You can change the name of that if you wish. And then just go down here. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just choose living room for this one. Got to click on the I have read the end user agreement and then click on continue. Let's answer some questions to find your personalized channels and other stuff. You can do this now. You can always go back later. I'm just going to skip this. I just need all the default apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all that. And then from here, you can add more channels to your Roku home screen. These are all free to install. You can go ahead and look through these and choose whichever one you want. I don't need any of these. I'm just going to go down here and click on continue. Okay, there we go. I mean, that's it. And you can see the screen here. Now it's automatically updating. We're done with the web browser here. Let's wait for the channel update. It's going to install all our apps as well. Okay, now it says let's connect your devices. You can go ahead and tap on the right. And then from here, you can go ahead and connect all your devices now, your cable box, your game console like PS4, Xbox. You can plug it in now or you can always do it later. I'm just going to go down later. The only thing I got to plug in is just my PS5. All done. Let's press to the right.
Roku TV in about a minute.
Okay, this is just a demo to show you settings and using a remote and all that. If you just press up, it'll go ahead and cancel that tutorial. And there you go. Guys, we are here. Now, next thing I got to do is I need to sign in to like my Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Video Prime, my Sling, and you can see all the default apps that they put in here. So there you go. Pretty simple.